the driveway for nothing. Get out there and clear the driveway. Need a ride?
Hey, y'all can give me off a night. Give me a ride. She lives up.
Yeah.
Four-wheel drive Super Duty stuck in front of the house.
Really?
And the backhoe came to pull him out, and the backhoe got stuck.
Backhoe got clear. Nah, I'm still back here on the pavement back here.
Stuck like a block of one house, and we'll walk there. So
Yeah, I mean, that walking, right? That thing is still there.
Oh, they got it blocked off, don't they?
Entendí, but I can get off all night. I can walk a block. No, I wouldn't ask you to go in there. It's pretty bad in there.
Yeah, she needs a ride too.
Really, girl? You're wearing your PJs?
I think she's just trying to get to United. I thought about that too.
Oh, she's trying to get to work, I bet.
Yes.
Is it? It's in green. You know where you should have gone through? Where community action is?
Oh, Austin?
Yes, I think that was a little bit cleaner than right
I wonder
here.
if we just go all the way around Avenue H.
Shit,
Yeah,
I
I
walked
would.
through here, look, and it's bad.
Dang.
And I think 10th is worse.
Is it? Yeah, I would go around.
Go around.
I went to Town and Country and they're closed. The only place open is Walmart and United. Yes, I was like, who has a snowmobile in Levelland? That weird
Oh, yeah. They probably found it and fixed it or something. Got it running.
Isn't that so weird?
Got him some natty light. You want a shaved ice cream?
Yeah.
Here, we're gonna run out of gas. I don't think it was this bad when maybe that wasn't this tall, but it was ice. It was more ice than snow, but it was all slushy. It was wet and soft. Like we could get through it, just was ice. I don't think we had 4 more times. We wouldn't make it. We could get back over the park there.
That's for the...
I'll probably just come back the way it came. Ah, hey, look at this guy. Easy. He tried to act like he did it on purpose. Ain't stopping.
That's 2 kids if it's this bad.
Right?
I won't be my kids. Yeah.
Good stuff.
Okay, you want to get out of here? This good?
Yeah, this will work for us.
All right.
I can get off here too. It don't matter. I can walk to
No, you gotta go all the way to Avenue D.
Where's D? This way?
To the right.
this where community action.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I can get you a little closer.
Here.
Oh, we live out in Kaufman, so we got to go that way anyway.
Anyways, yeah.
So we're going that direction anyhow.
Luckily, we live on the highway. We just came out and it was,
Yeah, they had a bulldozer.
the highway is
highway.
mostly clear.
This is the communication this way.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see if I can
That one
come
looks
on
pretty bad right there, though.
Yeah.
You
See
live
what
on
they're doing.
10th and D.
Look, the awning
You know where
collapsed.
the middle school at?
Do what?
Where the middle school used to be at?
Yeah.
Okay, right there. Okay.
Look, that
Right
awning,
in the corner.
the porch collapsed right there.
See it.
Oh my God. Yeah. One of my neighbor's porch. Oh my God.
Oh my
girl,
gosh.
Look right here.
Dang. Take a picture of that.
Oh my God. That was home. I was looking at this morning. She goes, Mom, do we have any snow on the roof? Yeah, we shouldn't because ours is pointed.
Yeah.
It's not flat.
Yeah.
Imagine this building's here a bit, they're full of snow on the top.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at this guy. Is that guy stuck up there? He's got his flashers on in front of us.
that's a car, ain't it?
I might need to turn to go this way than this guy did. There's a fun place to turn around.
It's stuck.
Hey, I got a shovel, man. Y'all need? Yeah, it's in the bed.
If you don't get stuck,
Go and grab it and I'm gonna try to find somewhere to park.
Are we
Yeah, man.
stuck now?
I don't think so.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can turn and make a block and come back out, and then we'll help that guy. Get my shovel back.
It's pretty. It looks like they'd be shoveling the snow.
She lives on D.
I know, but I can't turn around, babe. I gotta try to follow this guy. I'm trying to get it where I can turn around and come back.
Oh, okay. Where Citibank was where we were at.
Yeah, probably. Or if I can take a right here. I was gonna turn there, but that truck was in the way. That don't look too bad.
They
does
don't
it?
look too bad this way, but
There's no tracks though.
There's
Like
no
nobody's been
tracks,
through it. Oh yeah, there is.
yeah, there is.
Ruin that car.
That's my truck. I know.
Front wheel drive.
Blue through red light. I guess ain't nobody coming. Yeah, I would. I mean, east toward that road, huh? No, okay. Oh, your mom thinks she's right. Okay. I thought y'all were there together. Mommy's right. Your mom, I can't find it. Yeah. She said this is your right. Okay. Is that Scotty Tips? That guy tried to wash the truck and that's still. You always just turn on the water and melt the snow away.
Next guy. Yeah, this is a major highway, so they take care of the highways. They don't take care of the streets.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is 10th right here.
Yeah.
So to the right?
Yes. She said that they were making track. What do you think?
I don't know.
I don't know either, do you?
That looks pretty
Well,
tough.
there's a truck over there. You see it?
Looks like he's stuck. Yeah, look at that big old.
Okay, now go through.
Yeah.
the road.
Yeah, look at that. No way.
No, I'm dead. They haven't gone through there.
There's that guy that was in the room.
Yeah. This guy's always wrong. He's got my shovel.
Does he?
Yeah,
Don't tell me.
he's got one. The guy in the white car didn't leave that shovel for you, did he? Did he? Yes, mine. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I was like, I'm gonna make a round, and ended up having to go all the way around. So I thought maybe I'll get it from him. Thanks. Can I make a U-turn to come back through here? That'll work.
Okay. Yeah.
Alrighty.
that's
Thanks,
the
man.
Next block, yeah. Where that truck turns. Yeah, you can turn right there, I think.
Okay, he said go to the light.
I don't think you can go.
What light was he talking about?
Okay, let me get off.
All right.
Okay, let me get off because I'm still gonna get off. Okay. Oh, is this
Was it unlocked?
Yeah.
There
All
you
right.
go.
Thanks. Thanks
We'll
a
see you
lot.
later.
Thanks a lot for the ride.
No problem.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. I'm gonna make it to the end. just saw a truck go right through here. As long as I stay on the. Okay, hold on. I have to blow through this. You gonna put. Nice door, bro. Plastic. Those don't have doors, nice.
I didn't realize everyone was walking. That's all.